Today we headed out to the California Academy of Sciences in San Francisco. If you have never been here, I highly suggest you come. The California Academy of Sciences includes an aquarium, planetarium, rainforest, and natural history museum.
Carbon dioxide into the water here. So did you both bring your carbon dioxide machines today? You did. Where is yours? In your body, right? Exactly, because people make carbon dioxide every day. We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide.
Here are a bunch of things that you can see and do at the California Academy of Sciences.
It's moving.